Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here, and in this video I will show you the map function in Adobe Lightroom. If you have a camera that has built-in GPS coordinates, you don't have to do this manually. When you upload your images to Adobe Lightroom, it will automatically synchronize with Google Map, who is here in this program. But if you don't have a camera with a GPS, then you have to do it manually. And as you see here, I have 3 images on the bottom here, and they are from a collection. And you can see I have already positioned one here. It's in the Lake Vansjø in Norway. So this is an image from this trip. And if I go down here and hold the cursor over here, then you also see that the mark is jumping up and down here. Look here, look at the mark. And then I will position another one. I click on this and I drag it up. It's also from the same location. I drag it and drop it into the same place. Now you can see there are 2 images there, and we can see the other one here. And the third one is also in the same location, so I drag and drop over there. Now we have 3 images in the same location. So very good tool if you like to know where you have taken your pictures. So thank you for being with me in this short video, and I see you soon in the next.